Bingo Cash practice mode not unlocking is usually tied to the game, account, or feature being unavailable, rather than a button that simply needs repeated tapping. So the first step is to confirm you're signed into the correct account. By the end, you'll know what to check when practice mode stays locked, how to refresh Bingo Cash safely, and what to do if the feature still doesn't appear. Start by checking the Bingo Cash account you're using. Open the account and confirm you're signed into the same account you normally use. If you were signed out, select AG Sign In 1 under Existing User and use the phone number registered to your account. Complete the SMS verification code. Then return to the game and check practice mode again. Next, completely close Bingo Cash and reopen it. A fresh launch can reload game information and available features that didn't load correctly during startup. If practice mode is still locked, check the game you're trying to enter. Some Bingo Cash features can depend on the specific game or mode currently available in the app, so don't assume every game includes the same options. Return to the main game list and check whether practice mode appears for another available game. If it appears elsewhere, the issue may be specific to the original game rather than your account. The next step is updating Bingo Cash. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android. Search for Bingo Cash and install an available update. After updating, reopen Bingo Cash and check the practice mode option again. Also test your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to a stable Wi-Fi connection. Then restart Bingo Cash. Android users can clear temporary Bingo Cash cache data by opening Settings, GUIPS Bingo Cache Odds Storage and Cache Clear Caching. Don't select a Clear Storage unless you're prepared to sign into the account again. Clearing storage can remove locally stored app information. If you're still seeing a locked practice mode after confirming the correct account, checking another game, updating Bingo Cash, and refreshing the app, take a screenshot of the locked screen. Then contact Bingo Cash support and explain which game you're trying to access, what practice mode shows, and whether the option is missing completely or simply disabled. Include your device model, operating system version, Bingo Cash app version, and a screenshot of the problem. Don't create another Bingo Cash account to try to unlock the feature. If the restriction is connected to the game or account, a second profile won't reliably solve it. So the practical fix is to confirm the original account. Check the specific game, restart Bingo Cash, update the app, test your connection, and contact support if practice mode remains unavailable. Your next step is to open the game you're trying to play and check whether practice mode is available there after restarting Bingo Cash. If this fixed the Bingo Cash practice mode problem, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.